Hello, and welcome to Healthy Living Every Day. My friend, have you ever woken up in the morning and, instead of feeling refreshed, noticed that your hands feel numb, or your legs feel heavy with a tingling sensation, almost like tiny needles prickling the moment your feet touch the floor? That numbness can make everyday tasks harder, from buttoning a shirt to holding a hairbrush. And deep down, it can plant a quiet worry about aging and the gradual weakening of the body. But please don't worry too much. The human body is incredibly remarkable. Those sensations are often a signal, a quiet cry for help, when the body's collagen network, the internal structure that holds everything together, begins to wear down. So today, I'd like to sit here with you, almost like family gathered around the kitchen table, and gently unpack this concern together. You don't need expensive treatments or complicated remedies. The real secret may already be sitting right in your own kitchen. Today, I'm going to share a list of 6 golden vegetables that help support your body's natural ability to rebuild its collagen network, ease numbness and stiffness, and restore lightness and flexibility to your steps. Let's begin this journey of restoring vitality to your body right now. First, let me share a small secret that many people rarely notice. Why do numbness and tingling in the hands and feet seem to appear more often once we reach middle age? Imagine your body as a house. In this house, collagen acts like the cement between the bricks, the flexible rope that holds the entire structure together and keeps the frame strong. During youth, that cement layer is thick and sturdy. But as time passes, the body's natural supply of collagen slowly begins to decline. When collagen becomes depleted, the cartilage in our joints loses its soft cushioning. It becomes dry, and the surfaces begin to rub against each other. This gradual deterioration can place pressure on the nerves running through your arms and legs. That's why you may sometimes feel a sudden electric-like tingling or temporary numbness in your fingertips. And collagen doesn't just support joints. It's also a major component of blood vessel walls. Without enough collagen, blood vessels lose some of their elasticity, and circulation to the farthest parts of the body, like your hands and feet, can slow down. Your legs may feel weaker. You might experience cramps, heaviness, or fatigue, simply because the blood carrying oxygen and nutrients isn't flowing as smoothly as it once did. So you see, numbness isn't just a sign of aging. It's actually the body's internal support system asking for help. The good news is that we can reinforce that house. And instead of searching far and wide for solutions, we can start with something simple, our daily meals. Right now, I'd like to share with you some remarkable green vegetables that contain the golden ingredients your body needs to naturally support healing and rebuild a stronger collagen network than ever before. At the very top of this golden list isn't the usual citrus fruit like oranges or lemons, but the vibrant red bell pepper. In the plant world, red bell peppers are often considered a powerhouse of vitamin C. Science has shown that without vitamin C, any effort to produce collagen becomes almost meaningless. Because vitamin C is the essential catalyst that converts amino acids into fully formed collagen fibers. When you enjoy red bell peppers, the abundant vitamin C immediately begins helping strengthen blood vessel walls, making them more flexible and resilient. This is especially important for people who frequently experience numbness in their hands and feet. When blood vessels are healthy and elastic, oxygen-rich blood and nutrients can travel through even the tiniest pathways, reaching all the way to your fingertips and toes. Gradually, the uncomfortable tingling fades away, replaced by warmth and renewed flexibility, almost like a fresh mountain stream flowing again through land that has long been dry. Following the vibrant energy of red bell peppers, I'd like to introduce another wonderful ally for your health, spinach. This deep green leafy vegetable isn't just food, it's a treasure trove rich in chlorophyll and magnesium. Magnesium is often called the relaxation mineral because it helps muscles relax and calms nerves that may be under pressure, one of the main causes behind persistent numbness during midlife. In addition, the powerful antioxidants found in spinach act as important protectors, shielding the body's collagen network from damage caused by free radicals. Think of spinach as a protective shield for your nervous system. It helps signals from your brain travel smoothly to your hands and feet, without interruption or discomfort. Each meal that includes a serving of spinach is like giving your body's internal machinery a gentle boost, helping your movements feel lighter, smoother, and more effortless than before. But creating collagen is only part of the story. For those collagen fibers to remain strong and tightly connected over time, we cannot overlook one incredibly powerful ingredient: garlic. Don't think of garlic as just a seasoning that adds flavor to food. Inside each small clove lies sulfur, an essential mineral that acts like tiny welds, binding collagen fibers together into a stable and resilient network. Imagine collagen as ropes. Sulfur is the special adhesive that twists and binds those ropes tightly together, preventing them from breaking under the stress of daily movement. Garlic also contains allicin, a powerful compound that helps cleanse blood vessels, reduce tiny plaque deposits, and improve peripheral blood circulation. When blood vessels stay clear and the collagen network remains strong, your legs begin to feel lighter again. That heavy sensation or nighttime cramping gradually fades, allowing your body to move more freely and comfortably. And when we talk about building a strong and stable framework for the bones and joints, we have to mention broccoli, one of the most hardworking builders in the world of nutrition. Broccoli contains generous amounts of zinc and copper, two essential minerals that act like specialized tools in the body's collagen production process. Without them, the body is like a skilled builder who simply doesn't have the right equipment to construct a strong structure. Broccoli also contains a powerful compound called sulforaphane, which has the ability to suppress enzymes that break down cartilage in the joints. This is incredibly important, because it doesn't just help the body build new collagen, it also protects existing collagen from being destroyed. When your joints are strengthened and supported by a healthy collagen network fueled by broccoli, the pressure placed on nearby nerves begins to decrease. The dull aches that sometimes appear when the weather changes or after a long day gradually give way to a feeling of flexibility and resilience, allowing you to move through life with greater confidence and comfort. But after these builders have worked hard to strengthen your internal structure, the body also needs protection. That's where the quiet yet powerful support of tomatoes comes in. One of the most valuable compounds in tomatoes is lycopene, a potent antioxidant from the carotenoid family. Lycopene works like a highly trained bodyguard, constantly protecting your body from free radicals, unstable molecules that attack and damage the precious collagen structures your body has worked so hard to create. As we age, the rate at which collagen breaks down often becomes faster than the rate at which the body can rebuild it. Adding tomatoes to your meals, especially lightly cooked tomatoes, such as those in sauces or roasted dishes, helps release even more lycopene, creating a protective shield for your connective tissues. In other words, eating tomatoes helps you preserve your collagen reserves, keeping joints from becoming dry and helping protect nerves from oxidative damage. This simple habit can support youthful movement and flexibility from deep within the body. Finally, we can't overlook asparagus, those vibrant green shoots full of life. Asparagus is an excellent source of vitamin K and folate, two nutrients that play an essential role in maintaining bone density and supporting the mineralization of connective tissues. Including asparagus in your meals helps the collagen synthesis process run more smoothly, particularly in areas surrounding nerves and the fluid-filled sacs that cushion your joints. When these areas are properly lubricated and protected, common problems like morning joint stiffness or numbness after sitting for long periods can improve significantly. The result is a greater sense of comfort and freedom in your everyday movements. But producing collagen alone isn't enough. Those collagen fibers also need to be tightly connected to remain strong over time. That's why we cannot forget one familiar ingredient found in nearly every kitchen: garlic. Garlic is far more than just a seasoning. It contains sulfur, a critical element that helps bind collagen fibers together into a durable structure. Think of sulfur as a kind of biological glue, strengthening and repairing connective tissues throughout the body. At the same time, garlic helps cleanse blood vessels and break down tiny plaque deposits, improving circulation. As blood flows more freely, your legs begin to feel lighter and more flexible, and each step becomes easier and more comfortable. And speaking again about structural strength, we return to broccoli, the diligent construction worker for your skeletal framework. Just as a builder needs tools to construct a house, your body needs zinc and copper to build collagen. Broccoli provides these important tools, helping reinforce the collagen network within your joints. When this internal support system becomes stronger, the pressure placed on nearby nerves is significantly reduced. Gradually, those lingering aches that sometimes appear with changing weather or daily strain begin to fade. To protect everything these builders have created, we once again turn to tomatoes. The lycopene in tomatoes acts like a protective guard, shielding collagen from damage caused by free radicals and the natural aging process. Eating ripe tomatoes helps preserve the valuable collagen your body works so hard to produce. It's almost like applying a protective coat of paint to a house, keeping everything inside strong, fresh, and resilient against the slow wear of time. And finally, we return to asparagus, those vibrant green shoots full of vitality, rich in vitamin K and essential minerals. Asparagus supports bone mineralization and the collagen synthesis process. When combined with the other vegetables we've discussed, asparagus becomes the final piece of the puzzle, helping your body's movement system operate smoothly, reducing morning stiffness, and allowing you to begin each day feeling refreshed and energized. When you look at them together, these 6 vegetables form a powerful team, working side by side to build, protect, and restore the collagen network within your body. My friend, even though these foods are considered golden for health, not every body responds the same way to all 6 vegetables. I'd like to share a few important notes so you and your family can enjoy them in the safest and most balanced way. First, if you have a history of kidney stones or elevated levels of oxalates in your urine, you may want to be cautious with spinach. While spinach is extremely nutritious, it also contains a high amount of oxalates. When consumed in excess, these compounds can crystallize and potentially worsen kidney stone formation. In this case, you might consider rotating in other leafy greens that are lower in oxalates while still providing important nutrients like magnesium that support healthy nerve function. Next, this advice is especially important for anyone taking blood-thinning medications. Vegetables such as asparagus and dark leafy greens like broccoli contain significant amounts of vitamin K, a nutrient that naturally supports blood clotting. Because of this, large or sudden changes in vitamin K intake may reduce the effectiveness of certain medications. If you're currently undergoing treatment that involves blood thinners, it's best to speak with your healthcare provider before dramatically changing the amount of these vegetables in your diet. Another group of people who may need to adjust their intake are those with sensitive digestive systems or conditions such as gastritis or stomach ulcers. Eating large amounts of raw garlic or bell peppers can sometimes cause irritation, heartburn, or bloating. If this sounds familiar, you may find it easier on your stomach to enjoy these foods lightly cooked or in smaller portions while allowing your body to adjust gradually. Finally, although it's uncommon, some individuals may have allergies to plants in the nightshade family, which includes foods like tomatoes and bell peppers. If you've experienced allergic reactions to these foods in the past, it's wise to remain cautious and avoid potential triggers. Taking care of your health is a journey of learning to listen to your body. Understanding not only what helps your body thrive, but also what it may need to avoid, is one of the smartest ways to fully enjoy the gifts that nature provides. The path toward a stronger, more flexible body isn't a stressful race, it's a gentle process built from small, consistent choices. Every balanced, plant-rich meal becomes another brick in the foundation of your health, gradually easing numbness and stiffness while making room for comfort, lightness, and peace within the body. I hope these heartfelt insights inspire you to care for yourself with even greater kindness. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to Healthy Living Every Day, turning on the notification bell, and sharing this video so we can spread healthy living habits with more people. Thank you for spending this time with me. Wishing you a wonderful day filled with energy, steady hands, and strong steps. I look forward to sharing more health stories with you very soon.